Welcome to a ViewSonic unboxing. My name is Ray, and today I have for you a PA503HD projector. This is an entry-level projector for us. Our PA series is sort of our basic projectors. They go oftentimes into the education environment, the business environment, where needs are less, but they may still want something like high performance, high brightness, and this projector is actually pretty good for that. This is a 4,000 lumens projector with a full 1080p resolution. So let's get it open and see what you get inside the box. Okay, taking everything out of the box, we can see here, this is the unit itself. This is the PA503HD. About normal for our projector size. This would be what you would see in most classrooms mounted upside down from the ceiling, typically. This is a lamp-based projector, which allows for the high brightness at low cost of this particular unit. Included with the unit is a small remote and the power cable and all the documentation that you need, plus a couple batteries for that remote. In terms of features and connectivity on this model, going to the back here, we have two HDMIs, so dual HD sources are supported, as well as 3D, if you connect both of them together to say a 3D Blu-ray player. There's also RS-232. A lot of our education and business customers really like it because RS-232 is a very old established standard for controlling devices like power on, power off scheduling, and even updating. This one allows for updates through USB as well, which is a relatively new feature for our projectors. So if there's anyone out there who needs a really nice high brightness projector and doesn't want to break the budget, this is the best new offering that we have, the PA503HD. For all the information on this PA503HD projector and information on all of our projectors, please head to ViewSonic.com. Please watch this space for more exciting videos from ViewSonic.